Hello friends. After understanding the features and the functionalities of else if statement, let us see some program demos. Then only we can understand its functionality practically. Okay, now first see the problem. Here we are categorizing the people into different groups depending on their annual income. If you see this, what is the categorization? Annual income is 10 lakhs or more, top rich. 5 lakhs or more, rich. 2 lakhs or more, upper middle. 1 lakh or more, middle. 50,000 or more, lower middle. Less than 50,000, poor. In this way, we are categorizing all the people into different groups depending on their annual income. This is the correct problem for using else if ladder. Now, uh, let us write the code. And one thing, you write it in ladder form. And one point you have to understand, in a previous concepts I explained to you the importance of creating blocks. Here we are writing one statement, and if you want to write multiple statements, for every if and else if, you can create a block. Even for a single statement also, if you create a block, is nothing wrong. Okay, that point always for all the control structures, this block principle is equally applicable. Now we see here annual income we are entering through command line argument, thereafter that is stored in arg0. You can take it, I have taken int, you can take a float, you have taken, if you want to take it, take int, that is also possible. So if you take int, you have to use integer dot parse int you have to use. Now you see, if annual income is greater than or equal to 10,000. Second one, annual income, else if annual income is greater than or equal to 5 lakhs I have written. What I didn't write, actually what should I write? Less than 10 lakhs also I have to write. But I didn't write because this is implicitly provided by Java. That is the smartness of this code, this control structure. Thereafter you see that I have written in a else if ladder shape. Thereafter finally if else. This is the way, this is the structure. In this way, right? Last one comes poor. Now, depending, now here one more point. Instead of writing so many zeros and all that, I have rounded it off. And you might have understood why I have taken float. Actually, 50,000 you have to consider what happens. If it is to be round off, it should be 0.5. 0.5. That's why I have taken float. Okay, that point you have to understand. Sometimes you may think to take one data type, but subsequently you may realize that that is not suitable. That's why first overall idea you form on the problem and its requirement, then only you have to choose the appropriate data type. Actually, finally, else you see. Else we are not defining anything. Else we are not defining any clause. Actually, above that else if annual income is greater than or equal to 50,000, we put 50,000. And else without writing anything means what is the remaining clause? Less than 50,000. In this way, you have to write a smart code